What's standing between you and 95 marks in class 10 maths? These 100 questions. Save this video and let's solve them. Question number 74. Karan saved 5 rupees in the first week of the year and then increased his weekly saving by 1.75 rupees. If in the nth week his weekly savings becomes 20.75 rupees, find the value of n. Let's start. So what is given to you that in the first week he saved 5 rupees. So first term of the AP will be 5 and every week he is increasing it by 1.75. तो जो common difference हो गया वो कितना हो गया यहाँ पे 1.75 and the nth term is given to you 20.75. Okay, so let's write the nth term formula. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is 20.75, first term is 5, common difference is 1.75. So the only unknown is n. So 20.75, 5 will go on the left hand side, so it will be minus 5 and 1.75 को the transfer करेंगे, it will go in the division, that is equal to n minus 1. Okay, so n minus 1 is equal to 9, minus 1 will go on the left hand side, n is equal to 9 plus 1, that is 10. तो जो 20.75 rupees है, that will be his saving in 10th week.